Thank you for allowing us to take this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition, and of course, you can get more clients every month. Let's start here with your website. And the first thing I have to suggest is to take this. Get this fixed. That's a simple install that whoever is managing your domain should be able to do it. The other thing is content. In this case, everything that has to be with text. You need to add relevant content, including those keywords that you want to be found for. For example, interior designer, Connecticut would be one keyword, things like that. And why is that so important? Because when Google analyzes your website, they read through everything that is readable, like text. And by adding keywords, you're telling them that you want to be found for that specific keyword, but they will take that into consideration if the information surrounding that keyword is relevant, is original. That's one of the ways that Google does this. So um, that's one of the things that they love to see, a lot of information. So here, definitely add more content, for example, on services. Let's see, construction documentation. Let's see what you got there. So, same thing. More information should be definitely necessary in each one of these pages. Now, I'm going to show you some numbers. I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So, for example, you're being found for 29 keywords out of an entire website, and you have 61 backlinks. Now, and what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites or websites that are mentioning your website, your business name, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you are going to stay. Same thing happens here with backlinks, with the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and thousands of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most importantly, they're not targeting those specific keywords that you should be including here on your text content, you're probably not going to see the result you want. So that being said, let's see what keywords are you being found for based on the content of your website. And of course, you're targeting your branding name, which is good. Keep doing it here, but then nothing really relevant that can bring you a new line, for example, construction documentation, but then nothing else you can see here. So what I did here for the purpose of the video, I went on Google and typed interior design in Hartford, Connecticut, which is very close to you, and this specific keyword has a lot of volume. So the first thing you're going to see here is your traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad. Then you have your map section, and this is based on your location. So if you were to be in Hartford, Connecticut, your profile should be really optimized, should be images should be optimized as well. Content should be optimized. And I keep saying content because that's one of the major things that a lot of people tend to miss. And if you have reviews, you need to reply to each one of the reviews that you get because that is one of the things that Google loves to see. But most important, then traditional organic results. So number one, we got this house. Big directory, and then number two got this kellyburke.com. And let's see why are they ranking number three and what are the benefits. So when you put their website, you can see that they have just little content here, but nothing relevant. So this can play in your favor because if you get better content at them, it's going to be really easy to outrank them. But let's take a look and see the numbers. They're being found for 317 keywords, which is quite amazing. They have 700 backlinks, and this is what I was telling you. The quality of these links you can see here on their rating, so they really know what they're doing on this end. That being said, let's see what kind of keywords they're being found for. So, this one. Interior designers, Hartford, Connecticut, 40 searches a month. Because they're ranking number 3, number 4, getting 3 visits each month. If you ask me, those are 3 chances they get every single month for getting new clients. But that's not all. So this one over here, interior designer, Hartford, Connecticut, another 30 searches a month because they're ranking number 3, another 3 visits. So just between these two, those are 6. So they're getting 6 chances every single month to get a new client. Then you have this one, interior decorators, Hartford, Connecticut, which I think you probably be interested in. Same thing, 50 searches a month. They're ranking number 6, but still they're getting another 2. So that's 8 visits, 8 chances just on these 3. But if you want to round it up, interior designers, Hartford, Connecticut, 30 searches a month. And because they're ranking number 4, they get another 8 too. So I think that should be 10 visits they get every single month of getting new clients. So you get the idea. So what you need to do is you need to improve your content. You need to add keywords in a very, very specific way. And if you're going to be popular and start competing really serious with those guys, you need to get really good quality links. Other than that, if you have any questions, once again, my name is Alex. Please let us know, and I really hope you find this information useful. Thank you.